Today we will learn how to change the text color of missing font in Photoshop. So here you can see that the font of this text is missing. So let's try to change the color of the font and check if it works or not. We cannot change it. This font missing dialog box shows each time. Let's fix it. Go to the layer panel. Select the text layer you want to change the color of the text. Now click on the adjustment icon from here. Click on the solid color. Select any color from the color picker. Click on the OK button. Then click the right button on the color fill layer. Click on Create Clipping Mask. Now see that this text color has changed and the font is not missing or broken. In the same way, you can change the color of the text without breaking the font. Thanks for watching the video.